My Pure Hydration Rejuvenating Night Cream is a richly hydrating and skin restoring night cream that is your nighttime defense against environmental aggressors. Formulated with propanediol, a corn sugar extract enhances the absorption of ingredients into the skin, hydrates, softens, and smooths skin, and protects from water loss. Vitamin C in a stable, less irritating, active form increases collagen production, helps brighten and even out skin tone, and provides antioxidant protection. Galactoarabinan, a natural polysaccharide that comes from the larch tree that reduces trans-epidermal-water-loss and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Poria cocos extract, derived from the fuling mushroom, delivers extensive skin replenishing and protecting benefits, removes dead skin cells and purifies skin, moisturizes, improves microcirculation, and provides antioxidant protection for soft, smooth, and more vibrant looking skin. Please visit nasifmdskincare.com to learn more.